We are here with the wonderful folks from AWOL Canyoning, and we're also here with G and Daniel. We're standing at the top of a massive waterfall.
Should we have a little look? Shall I try and see if I can have a little peer? Let me see what we're dealing with here.
Oh no.
Wow. Now yesterday I didn't bungee. I chickened out, and today I've got this. I think I've got this. So I don't think I fully understood the exercise. So I get myself down, do I? Far out.
Hey.
I'm shitting myself.
Got it. Right. Gonna go underwater soon. Keep walking and slow the turn.
Oh no, Carrie's gotten frightened of the water, which is not good on a waterfall. You've got this! It's so funny, bro. It's so funny. Keep moving, Bickmore! Oh, she's doing real well. I mean, she copped an absolute thumping right at the start.
Yeah.
But it's like she was getting waterboarded at the start. And now she's gone.
Yep.
And who knows if we ever see her again. Well, I'm off to see if Vickers survived.
Holy
Well, I can't believe you all did it!